This is another equation, math equation, but this time it's equation by substitution. So the rule of this equation is just to replace like x by the second equation using some kind of other rules in math, and then to find y. So this is the first equation and that's the second equation. So what we're going to do and to replace this x value by the derived version of the second equation. And what I mean by that is, if I use this second equation, 2y plus 2x plus y equals 4, and we subtract both sides by y, we find 4 minus y to x, and we divide both sides by 2, and then we get 4 minus y divided by 2. So that will be our final equation. But then we replace this x by this x. So we use 3x plus the first equation, which is 3x plus 5y equals 13. And then we place this x by the second equation, the result of the second equation. So 4 minus y divided by 2 plus 5y equals 13. Now from here we will do some distribution laws. So that'll be 12 minus 3y divided by 2 minus 3y divided by 2. I'll skip a step right here, but it's because those two terms are divided by 2, and this will become 6 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y equals 13. And now it goes that way. We subtract both sides by 6, and then we get minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y equals 13 minus 6. Now from here we need to add those two constants at the right side, which will be 7, subtraction, and then the y term at my left, we need to add them. And to do that, we need to use a rule in the division by multiplying the numerators of 5 divided by 1 by 2, and then multiply the denominator of 5 divided by 1 by 2, and then we get 3y divided by 2 minus plus 10y divided by 2. And we get 7 here. So from here we will just add maybe 7 divided by 2 equals 7. Then to get to y, we multiply both sides by 2, and then we get 7y times 14. and then we divide from here. We divide both sides by 7, so that'll be y 7, which will be 2. So our final answer. Now for verification, what we will do is to replace 2 by x here. So what we will do is 3x plus 5 13, and then we subtract both sides by 10, because this constant is equals to 10, so that'll be 3x equals to 3, and then we divide both sides by 3. That will be 1. Because I'm not sure if my question my answer is correct, I will replace this by this one, and I should get the same answer right here. So I'm going to make it red. So you replace this by 1 here. I should get y equals to 2. So if we do that, y should be equal to 2, and we multiply both sides by 2, I get 2, and that'll be 4 minus 4. And then from here we multiply. I think from here we just subtract both sides by 4, and then we get erase that what by here. Both sides by 4, that would be minus 4 plus 2, and we get minus y. Then from here we get minus 2, so minus 2, it is also equals to positive 2. So thanks for watching. That was solved by equation. Bye bye.